Wagwan people, hope everybody doing okay, hope everybody alright. If you're new viewer here, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell for further notification posts. Anyway, a lot of things are going on at Jamaica and a lot of things are going over the world, not just Jamaica. So, I don't want the people really take it to heart and say, yo, Jamaica alone this happen to. Because even most of the video them we are circulate right now, some places is not Jamaica, you see me? Even one place I'm say, but I'm a Jamaica and I'm say a lot of people say Jamaica, but it's not Jamaica based on the people them accent in the video. You see, house wash and them thing there. Kids can't have the house there, you see me? Normal people can't have the house, and a lot of people wishing that nobody was in the house when it wash away. But we don't know, you see me? And a lot of people are crying thing. But in a Jamaica now, we have stone, may I talk some big rock, a tumble down the road wash way. Kiara wash way and thing, but some of the youth them will drive car, you know, them see the flood and still a drive towards it. I don't know if a movie or a show them a try for act or them a try for be famous. I don't know. But if me say whole heap of water, I'm still like it too high, me nah go, you know. Anyway the car stop at this, so me a come out of the car. Cause remember say car can always buy back. No care through curfew. They must understand why I stop. You understand? But viewer subscriber, I'm going to play some of the floods them across Jamaica and thing. I'm want to leave your opinion in the comment section and tell me what you think about the whole situation.
Where the jungle dunga bongo dunga one? Terro done? I'm a lot the place, you know. I give you the best review.
Garden Town Road, there is no road. The wall is gone. The road is gone. Only persons who are walking can cross, and bikes. It is completely impossible by vehicles. Only motorcycles and those who are walking can pass. Completely impossible.
Hold on there. Watch out, fridge and wash way. Hurry up, no hurry up. Yeah, look there, man. Right. We say all I gully bus out and the people most are flood out.
If you don't get trapped about them, I'll be a fuck with them though. Who is some money?
Jaja.
So bro. Jaja. No, nobody rev it. No, babe. Jaja.
So we have to drive through, you know, to the hall, man.
That boy on the surf, man.
Look at this river, oh my god! One more daughter in and we all gone, man. This is terrible. Look at this shit. Look at that hole. It's so close to the river.
Oh, look there. Right and out of Bull Bay. Ja.
When I'm trying to come off of the blood clot bridge.
All of down a 12 miles just a cut off, brother. All of down a. All light done, the whole light done, the whole light done.
So people, leave an opinion in the comment section, and I hope everybody stay inside, and I hope everybody safe and sound. You see what I say? Because you don't know a thing going on. In these difficult times, we have to make sure we stay safe. Big woman thing. Hold on. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure it. So even though you have a lot of flooding going on and them things across Jamaica, we know we are Jamaicans, and we know we can wall out, and we know we can survive the whole of them something. You see me? No care what the circumstances, we always a fight and always a put up a fight. No care what. Some of the people stay together, stay inside, stay off the road. You don't know if you don't need to go there, so you don't go there. Just build, chill and everything, and try to make everything good. So that when time all of the flood good and go away, everybody alright, same way. Nobody not dead, nobody not do this, nobody not that. You see me? But you don't know. A lot of people are crash, a whole heap of accident are going on and them thing there. So the best for you do, I just stay in your house and just all vibes and just watch to review, you see me, listen to music and just chill back. You see me? Because you can't stop it, you know. You can't stop it. So all you have to do, I just watch it and just look what go on and just ease yourself. Is it? Viewer, subscriber, what do you think? Leave an opinion in the comment section. One chop. Until next time. I'm on.
When I'm trying to come off of the blood clot bridge.
All of down a 12 miles just a cut off, brother. All of down a. All light done, the whole light done, the whole light done.
Oh, yes, I can have video.
The same gun in the other wall and the move can get wicked. Where go? Jesus.
What's in there? Just come on. Just come on.